in Sacramento, and the communications director for the Tea Party Express, Levi Russell. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Thanks for getting up so early. All right, Selena, so you started on this mission way back in Sacramento. You have traveled across the country with the Tea Party Express. Why?
I feel that I'm compelled to do this. I see what's happening in our country with our administration. I am a political activist, a citizen leader. And when my husband and I found out about Tea Party Express, we knew that we had to get involved. We had been involved a little bit with some political movements, and we knew we couldn't miss this for anything.
Hey, Levi, how has the perception as communications director of the Tea Party's changed since it started?
You know, we've come a long way, and yesterday it was our 30th rally in Albany. We've come thousands of miles, and over the past 12 days or so, we have been in front of 50 to 60,000 people, and I think it's gaining a massive amount of legitimacy as this momentum continues. And keep in mind, this whole movement really started just earlier this year in February, so it's still in its infancy, but is already coming to national prominence. So I think there's a lot more to come.
All right, so the goal was to go through 17 states, starting in California. Now you're going to end with a huge rally in D.C. So, Selena, tell me what you expect at that rally.
Well, I expect for people all over the country who love America to be there and to just express their sentiments to our government that this movement is totally for the people, by the people, and we want to just express our feelings and our heartfelt desires of what we believe is best for America. And I suppose there will be some opposition there, but, I mean, that's what makes America what it is. It's a free country. Everyone's, free to express their own views. But so far, it's been a wonderful ride.
And, Levi, a lot of people say, hey, George Bush had a lot of deficit spending. He financed the war on a supplemental budget. Why are you just coming out now?
You know, that's one of the most common arguments that we hear, against this type of a movement that seek to marginalize it. But the proof is in the groups that are actually coming out to these rallies by the thousands. We had 10,000 people come out to Joliet, just outside of Chicago. And for many of these folks, 9 out of 10 of them, this is the first time they've ever been politically involved. So the case is that they have now, been growing frustrated with the administration that is working against the will of the people, that they're feeling it's time to get out there and do something about it. So that's a new thing for a lot of the folks that are coming to these Tea Party rallies.
I guess, though, the final question would be, Selena, whether or not you think that the administration has listened at all to the Tea Parties.
Well, I believe the proof will be in the pudding. It's something you definitely cannot ignore. This is not a fad. I've heard too many stories from too many people. I know it's not going to go away. It's really a mushroom effect from the April 15th Tea Party rallies that took place across the country. And because I know the people that we're working with and how that they are mobilizing to be able to express this to our government, the government will hear it. Whether or not they will listen is another story.
All right, Selena Owens, Levi Russell, thanks. Good luck in your final stop on this nationwide tour on your Tea Party Express. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Well, we first showed you this